Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite boats on the lot, the brand new, all new 370 Sundancer by Sea Ray. This is a really cool looking boat. You'll see a lot of neat features as we walk through it. As we start here in the transom, the first thing you will notice as you walk up on this boat, triple 300 Mercury Verados. Great power option for this boat, moves it really well. I like the black motors, how they tie in with the black canvas, the black hardtop. This boat has a great look to it. Also, the thing I want to point out, if you can pick it up on the camera, is the sea deck. Sea Ray started incorporating this cool design, carries through the boat, starts here in the rear. We'll pick up on it as we move through it, but I just wanted to point out that cool feature. Walking forward, I did mention this is a coupe, so you have the full glass enclosure. You have glass in here, it's not isinglass. This is great for us in the Northeast because it extends your boating season. We get those chilly days in the spring, we get the chilly days in the fall. You have this coupe enclosure with the heat and the air on the inside. You can boat much longer. It's really great for us up here. Continue to move forward. Again, the glass carries through. You have a nice window door here that will allow you to walk in and out, which is on a gas strut. We'll see when we get inside. And you do have a nice bow area up here with plenty of seating, which is great because this boat does have a cabin. So like the 32, they've combined the ability to hang out on the bow, which so many people love to do nowadays, as well as a cabin, which we'll see here in a minute. Let's take a look inside. Great. Now that we're in the cockpit, let's take a look at some of the features this boat offers. As I mentioned on the swim platform out there, the design and the seats. It carries through the entire boat, full size. Even this cool little sunroof here that picks up on camera carries that design. Sea Ray did a really great job of making this boat look very unique. You don't see too many things like this on the water. The other cool thing, you do have the full camper package with this. As I mentioned, you have the glass up front, isinglass camper package in the back. Really extends your season. It's very comfortable. It's a cool day today. Very comfortable in here. Really cool option. Great if you want to hang out and spend lots of time on the water. To the port side, you do have a grill, and you have a fridge. And you can notice the Corian countertop here. Everything just flows together well. They did such a great job with the design of this boat. I mentioned before, you have your cockpit air and heat, as well as your cabin. We'll get to that. Two large multifunction display screens by Simrad. You have your toggle switches here. You have your Mercury binnacles with joystick, very important. Everybody wants joystick, love the joystick. And then the Simrad VHF radio on board. As we were talking about on the outside, here is that very large door. It's power assisted, easy to open and close. Close this off, creates your environment in here where you can be comfortable. You have some vintage up here, or vents up here if it is a warm day. You do have a sunroof up here that will open. So very cool features. Fusion stereo, great sound system. Again, just a wonderful boat to entertain on. And if you will, we'll now step into the cabin and see what else we have to offer. Now we'll take a look at the cabin in the 370 Sundancer. As you see, there's a lot of room. Well, plenty of headroom. I'm 6'3". I don't have to bend over. I can walk anywhere. You have a sunroof right here, which lets natural light in, which is very nice. To the front, this is currently in the bed mode. This will convert to a table if you want to sit, have a nice place to entertain. To this side you have a TV, and then you also have a locker to stow away things. And there's additional seating storage behind the seats here. People say you can never have enough storage on the boat. This tries to achieve that. You've got a microwave and a fridge, as well as a sink. So a nice little food prep area here. If you're going to overnight and you need to whip up something quick, plenty of things to do that. Over here we're going to take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is very nice. You can see that Sea Ray did a really good job with the decorations and the way everything's laid out. You have a full-size shower. Very cool. You don't see that very often on boats this size. And then to the rear you have more seating, which will also convert to berths for beds if you wanted to bring additional people with you for overnight. If you have kids, they wanted to sleep on there. Fun little spot. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our team can help you. Look forward to seeing you out here. Come to Huntington, check this boat out. Hope to see you on the water, and thank you for joining me.